Good morning, 5th grade. This is your math lesson for Wednesday, May the 6th. Okay, you are finishing up your chapter review today, and you're on page 623. So go ahead and pause me while you come to page 623. Okay, this is reviewing section 12.4, where we're simply graphing data. You have your table of information. Remember, your top line is representing your X category, and your home runs, your second line, is going to be your y-axis. So we have our games from 1 to 6. We have our home runs from 0 up to, they have it up to 5. Okay, and then you're just going to graph the data. So on game 1, they had 2 home runs, so we go up to 2 and just put our dot there. And you're going to continue to graph the rest of the information. When you're done with that, what does the point 6, 3 represent? So write what that would represent. 6 what, 3 what. When you're done with that, what's the difference? And remember what difference means. It's a subtraction problem. Difference from the highest to the lowest of the greatest number of home runs and the least number of home runs. Explain. Okay, 12.5, you're doing the same thing. You're going to graph your information here. And this is a running total of all the books that they're selling. And like on day 2, they sold 2 books. On day 3, they sold 5 books. On day 4, they sold 8 books. So you're going to keep that running tally. And then look at on which day did you sell the most books. You can see that on the table, but you'll also see that in your graph. And then how many books do you think you're going to sell after 9 days? I know that's going to go off the chart, but give me a good guess on that. Educated guess. Okay, 12.6 is numerical patterns, and they give you your pattern over here. So in servings of dip, you have 1 through 5 servings. In 1 serving of dip, you're going to have 5 ounces of sugar-free pudding and 15 ounces of pumpkin. So in 2 servings, you're going to add another 5 to that, add another 15. So you're going to continue on filling in these blanks. And here's your rule. Multiply the number of ounces by what to get the number of ounces of pumpkin? Okay, graph and analyze relationships. An employee earns $80 every 8 hours. How much money does she earn after 40 hours? So here's your time in hours here and your amount earned. So first you're going to fill in this information, and then you're going to graph it. And then the last one, modeling real life. You could probably do this in your head, but go ahead and graph it also. The group is playing laser tag for 60 minutes. They want to go to the facility that costs less money. Which should they choose? So facility A is $8 for every 10-minute session. So you're going to graph A. So let's go to a time in minutes, which is 10, and it's dollars and cents here. So it's $8. So at 10 minutes, it's $8. So now we're going to go every 10-minute session. What would it be at 20 minutes? Well, if it's $8 every 10 minutes, so 20 minutes will be 8 times 2, which is 16. You graph that. You're going to do it every 10 minutes up to 60 minutes. And then you're going to connect that line, and that's going to be facility A. And then facility B is $20 every 30-minute session. So you're going to start at 30 minutes, and you're going to go to $20 for a 30-minute session. So this will start off with B, and you're going to graph that. Now it's only 30 minutes a session, so the next one will be a 60-minute. So what would it be? What would be the cost at 60 minutes? Go ahead and graph that, connect that, connect A, and you will see which facility they should choose, which is cheaper, and what is the cost per person. Okay, guys, have a good time with that. Take your time. Do a good job.